So let's enter a time together to reflect. We're going to enter our inner sanctum, our inner space inside. Let's take a deep breath in. And as you focus on your breath, you can allow your shoulders to soften. You can allow your eyes to close if you choose. You can keep them open in a soft gaze if you choose. But begin as you notice your breath to allow your breath to help your body soften. Any muscles tense, let them release. This word awake, that I am awake, has many levels. I remember as a child awakening to the sound of little birds twittering. My mother always put out bird food, and the little birds out in the country, sparrows and cardinals and blue jays, all coming to the bird feeder, little twitters. Our spiritual awakening is sometimes like that too. Little twitters, little nudges, little sparkles, something saying, awake, 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 awaken, little one, awaken. Open your eyes, awaken, open your heart, awaken, open your spirit, awaken. Little twitterings around us. Can you imagine those little sparkles around you saying to you, holy child of the universe, holy child, you are loved, you're precious, you are secure, the external chaos is an illusion, you are awake on the inside. Those little sparkling lights, like those little birds twittering all around, bringing love as we awaken. Let's take that image with us into the silence inside for a few moments together. And as we breathe in, and as we breathe out, imagine the little sparkles, like little birds all around you, sparkles that say, awake, awake, awake to the joy, awake to the love that's in you and through you, awaken. And so it is.